I'd like to wish each and every one of you a very happy new year and a successful year to come. But for us as a nation, it's going to be a difficult one. We've seen this week just how big the challenge is that we face as Britain prepares to leave the European Union. We know all of the things that are so important to us as a nation are now under threat. Things like regional funding that creates jobs, the ability of our young people to travel freely across Europe, support for agriculture and rural development, job creation in the valleys, and many, many more issues which now we have to look at anew. The British government wants to take us out of the single market. For us in Wales, that's really, really bad news. And that's why we have to put a very strong case for the interests of Wales, to persuade the government that this would be damaging to Wales, to our economy, to our culture, to our nation. And so we need to be talking to each other. We shouldn't lose hope. We shouldn't become too down about all of this. We have to do something about it. It's up to us now to be working at every level, from government to local community, talking about how we influence our future as a nation. It's so important. Nobody else will look after our interests. We have to do it ourselves, and we can do it. We've got the ability, we've got the resources, we can change things, but we have to work very hard to do that in the coming year. I look forward to working with you.